My name is Susan Friel. I'm the Nurse Director for Acute Services in NHS Lanarkshire. As you are all well aware, we are now squarely in the middle of a second wave of COVID-19. Just as we all pulled together through the first wave, I know you are already doing so again, and I sincerely thank you for this. I am proud of you all for working so hard to keep our patients in NHS Lanarkshire safe. However, I wanted to share with you all that I'm also worried. I'm worried that we are all tired and battle weary after the tough year we've had so far. I'm worried that we have a tricky winter ahead of us, and I'm worried that we are not always managing to keep ourselves, our colleagues and our patients as safe as we possibly could. What do I mean by that? Well, there have been a number of outbreaks of COVID-19 across our hospital wards that can be directly traced back to our own staff. This has meant that we have had to shut down essential wards during this critical time. This has also caused a number of staff to either catch COVID-19 or to need to isolate due to exposure to a colleague who has already caught COVID-19. When we have looked at these incidents, there are three common themes. Firstly, staff were not always wearing their masks at all times, including during breaks. Secondly, staff were not staying 2 meters apart at all times when not providing direct patient care. And thirdly, staff were coming on shift on occasion despite having symptoms of COVID-19, a dry persistent cough, a temperature, loss of taste or smell. This virus is tenacious and indiscriminate. It will take every opportunity to transfer from person to person. This virus doesn't care that you're tired. This virus doesn't care that you just want to have a moment to be close to your colleagues and chat the way you used to. This virus doesn't care that you're doing all that you can to look after your patients. This virus doesn't care what shift you're on. Day or night, this virus will take every opportunity to spread. So I'm asking you all to please make sure you keep yourselves safe, your colleagues and our patients too, from COVID-19. Please wear your face masks at all times except when you eat and drink. This means putting your mask on the minute you finish your food and drink, even if you're still sitting having your break. Please keep at least 2 meters apart at all times. The only exception to this would be if it's necessary to carry out direct patient care. Please keep each other safe by reminding colleagues that you need them to wear their masks and keep their distance too. We all have a moral, ethical and professional responsibility to do this and to keep ourselves and each other as safe as we can. I want to finish up by again saying thank you. Thank you to you all for all your continued hard work, and please stay safe.